Hey Clashers! If you've been wondering how to redeem promo codes in Clash Royale this year, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock rewards and make the most of your codes. Quick, simple, and 100% up to date for 2025. First things first, make sure your Clash Royale app is fully updated. Head over to your Google Play Store or App Store, check for updates, and hit that update button if needed. This ensures that everything runs smoothly and you don't run into any hiccups while redeeming your code. Next, log into your Supercell ID. This is crucial because codes are linked to your account. Without it, you won't be able to claim your rewards. Now, here's the part that confuses a lot of players. Unlike some other games, Clash Royale doesn't have a dedicated redeem code button sitting on the main screen. Instead, promo codes are applied during certain in-game purchases. Here's what you do. Pick the product or offer you want to buy. When you reach the payment screen, look closely at the bottom. If the product supports promo code redemption, you'll see an option that says Redeem Code. Just tap it, enter your code, and boom, your reward is yours. Not every item in the shop supports codes, so if you don't see the option, simply try a different purchase until you find one that works. And that's it. It's a simple trick, but once you know where to look, it's fast and easy to claim rewards. So there you have it. Up to date for 2025. That's how you redeem codes in Clash Royale and grab those sweet rewards. Make sure you're checking for new codes regularly because you never know what goodies Supercell might drop next. Thanks for watching.